Hi everyone, Michelle Gellis here. I have been getting a lot of questions from individuals on my social media and through my email about what is the difference between cosmetic acupuncture and doing microneedling, and when do I use which, and do I really need to use both? So I thought I would take this opportunity to um, educate you. And the easiest way for me to do that, I'm going to share my screen. And so the answers for today's questions are coming straight from my book called Treating the Face. I'm going to close this screen. And so here is a page from my book, from chapter 12, microneedling. And microneedling, as you can see here, is something that is used on the very surface level just to treat the skin. So fine lines, maybe scars, multiple lip lines, lines around the eyes. So dark spots, um, different skin discolorations. It takes between 4 to 6 treatments, which are done once a month. And each treatment is going to, you'll charge around three to as much as $500 per treatment. And the treatments are short. They only take about a half an hour. There is a little downtime, but there shouldn't be any bleeding. Some people will use numbing cream because sometimes the treatments are painful, but not always. And so after 4 to 6 once a month treatments with microneedling, your patients can come back for maintenance as needed or desired. Now, with cosmetic acupuncture treats the root, and cosmetic acupuncture um, is going to get underneath the cause of a lot of premature aging and different skin conditions. You'll be treating the zong and the fu and doing a clearing treatment ahead of time. And when you're doing cosmetic acupuncture, you are going to be working not just with the skin, although you will be working with the skin, but you will be working with the muscles, the fascia, the blood, the chi. And it's a much more effective treatment for lifting the eyelids, working with the jowls, um, dealing with the sagging necklines. So each treatment can be done. You can do cosmetic acupuncture up to 3 times a week, but each treatment is typically done once a week for about 12 weeks. And this is all very dependent on your patient and their age and the condition of their skin and their diet and lifestyle and a lot of other things. So during my certificate course, I go through all of the cosmetic acupuncture and really, again, the differences between cosmetic acupuncture and microneedling, but you can do both. So, for example, if you are going to practice microneedling, which I also offer a certificate course on microneedling, um, you could do microneedling and then wait a week and do a series of 3 cosmetic acupuncture treatments and then do another microneedling treatment. And that way, you're really getting all of the different concerns that your patient will have as opposed to just doing microneedling. All of my cosmetic acupuncture courses and treatments include facial cupping, facial gua sha, And I do use, if I'm not doing microneedling, I also put in some intradermal needles to handle a lot of those fine lines. So I hope that this has answered some of your questions about microneedling and the difference between microneedling and cosmetic acupuncture. Again, the chapter in my book on microneedling goes in depth with microneedling using a microneedle pen or a derma roller or a what we call a hydra needle or a hydra stamp. And you can get access to pre-order for my book on my website, facialacupunctureclasses.com. And here are some, but not all, of my upcoming 2024 and 2025 classes. I've added a few dates, and I've changed the date for my San Francisco class because in March I'm going to be presenting in Texas, and then in April I will be in I'll be back in Los Angeles. So anyway, you can check out my website, facialacupunctureclasses.com, for more information about my live and recorded webinars. And I hope to see some of you soon.